Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to look up with multiple conditions using index match function. In this example, we have salesperson name, area, product, corresponding sales value and unit sold. Now to show the lookup values, we have used data validation feature, and based on selected lookup values, we will display corresponding sales and units sold in output area. Now select any lookup values in name, area and product. Now to show sales value in cell L3, type equals to index, open bracket. The first parameter will be output range. We need sales value. So select column D, press F4, comma. Now suppose we have two conditions, name and area. So for conditions, we will use match function. So type match, open bracket. The lookup value will be 1, comma, open bracket. The first condition is name. So select column A in which names are available. Press F4 equals to the required name is in cell I3. So select I3, press F4, closing bracket, asterisk sign, open bracket. Second condition is area. So select column B in which area is available. Press F4 equals to the required area is in cell I4. So select I4, press F4, closing bracket, comma, type 0 for exact match, closing bracket for match function, closing bracket for index function. Now this is an array function, hence press Ctrl Shift Enter key. The output is sales value for Amit of South area. Now change the name or area and the sales will change accordingly. To include the third condition in same formula, select cell L3 and press F2. The conditions are within match function. So after the second condition, type asterisk, open bracket. Third condition is product. So select column C, press F4, type equals to the required product is in cell I5. So select cell I5, press F4, closing bracket. Now press Ctrl Shift Enter key. The output is sales volume of Amit for product O1 for area south. Change the name or area or product and the sales volume will be changed accordingly. Now copy the function in cell L4. In cell L4, output required is unit sold. So within index function, the first parameter will be column E. So remove the first parameter, select column E in which units are available, press F4 and now press Ctrl Shift Enter key. The result is unit sold of product O1 in South area by Deepa. Change the name and it will automatically change the output. Now, if the lookup value is not available, then the function will return hash NA error. To handle the error, we will use if NA function. So type if NA in the beginning, open bracket, and at the end, press comma, type not available in double quotes, closing bracket and press Ctrl Shift Enter key. Similarly for unit solds, if any, open bracket and at the end type comma not available in double quotes, closing bracket and press Ctrl Shift Enter. So in this way you can look up multiple values using index match function. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.